Kim, I need you for this intro. Are you around? October 11, 2019. We just arrived in Oregon. And this is the ocean.
It's gonna be cold.
We've been wishing for clouds for like 10 days. Now we'll have clouds for 10 days.
Yes.
Shooting on the Oregon coast was on our wish list for a little while. We knew these seascapes would be perfect to create tube light painting images. It goes without saying that we were more than happy to take part of Out of Oregon, to share what we do best with the photographers that would be willing to brave the cold evenings to shoot with us. We were imagining sceneries with long stretches of beach at low tide, pure horizon line, and beautiful reflection. And we were not disappointed.
Kind of the paradise for us. Like, we have reflection everywhere. It's flat, you get so many possibilities. It's just too easy. And it's beautiful.
What is that thing?
I don't know, it looks like it's eatable.
Take it! Take it!
No! Where are the seals? Where are the seals?
What do you want more than this?
I don't know. Seals! I want seals!
It's a foamy beach. Can you lie in a foam while I do the light painting? Have nice reflection tonight.
How do we organize our things so they're not all dirty and wet? How do we do that?
I don't know.
There's no hiding under the dress tonight.
Have a few birthday sparklers for tonight.
Yeah, I have a minimum, I think.
That's great.
What do they want? This is good food.
Is it? Oh, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. So juicy.
Our time in Oregon went by way too fast. It was also our last stop before driving back to Montreal after many weeks of creation and travel. The end of an adventure, per se. What I know is that we'll have to find a reason to come back and explore more of Oregon's wonders.
Yeah, I don't like to bend over to tighten
Or
my
use
shoes.
these things, yeah.
Yeah, this is just energy spent for
I'm
nothing.
gonna stretch your head and your foot.
Oh, thanks.
Do you
wait.
feel better?
Yeah, there's another one coming.
Okay.
So I'm gonna-
You need stretching too?
Yeah.
Give me more angle. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Maximum stretching. Cut.